Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to make cheesy bread disc, which is easy to make baked appetizer and it is very yummy in taste. It is also a easy to go snack which you can give to your kids in lunchbox. So let's check out the process and start with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for cheesy bread disc. Here we are taking some chopped onion, some chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, chopped olives. We are taking some shredded cheese, some cream cheese spread, some mayonnaise, crumbled paneer, some tomato ketchup, oregano leaves, some black pepper and some red pepper. Also we are taking some salt, oil for cooking and slices of bread. Let's start the preparation with making the filling first. So let's put some oil in the pan and let it heat. Oil is hot now, so we have added onion and capsicum in this and saute it for a few minutes. Now we'll add tomatoes and olives and mix it well. Now add the crumbled paneer into this and mix it well. Now add black pepper into this. You can adjust the quantity based on your taste. Also add some oregano leaves. Some red pepper and some salt into it. And mix it well. We don't want to overcook it, so just mix it well and turn the flame off. Our filling is ready now. Now we'll prepare the cheese paste that we will be spreading over the bread. So here in the cream cheese we'll add mayonnaise, and tomato ketchup, you can add more or less tomato ketchup based on your taste, and we'll mix it properly. Our cheese spread is ready now, so now let's cut the pieces of bread for the disc. For cutting the bread, you can take any sharp edges cutter or any lid to cut the bread slice. Here we are taking this bigger one and we are cutting the bread slice into a round shape. Now we'll take this smaller lid and we'll cut this round shaped bread slice to make the ring. You can remove the center part, and maybe you can use these remaining bread for making breadcrumbs. So for each disc we need one round circle of bread and a ring on top of it. So we'll prepare rest rings accordingly. Now start the last step. So we'll spread this cream cheese paste onto this round bread, and we'll put this ring portion over it, and we'll just press it little bit, and now we'll fill the center with this filling. And we will put some shredded cheese over this filling. So in this way you can get all your disc ready. While you are preparing the rest of the disc, in the meantime you can just preheat your oven to 180 degrees C. Now place all the disc on the baking tray and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Our discs are ready now, and as you can see it looks very crispy golden brown in color and it tastes very yummy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.